Welcome to the Indian Finance Channel. Master personal finance and investing. Subscribe and let's grow together responsibly.
For decades, global supply chains relied on single-point manufacturing hubs. Today, as companies diversify to mitigate risk, we are seeing a structural shift towards the China Plus One strategy across the industrial world. Right now, India's electronics manufacturing services sector has clearly emerged as a primary beneficiary of this ongoing geopolitical realignment. Within this landscape, Cyient DLM distinguishes itself from traditional EMS providers by focusing strictly on high entry barrier industries. They specialize in multi-year contracts for aerospace, defense, and medical electronics, sectors where failure is not an option. The company's Q1 FY26 results reveal the direct impact of this strategy. The report shows a tension between double-digit top-line revenue growth and the rising costs required to execute these complex orders. This quarterly performance provides a lens into the friction between high market demand and the operational hurdles inherent in scaling a high-tech manufacturing operation. This chart shows the year-on-year growth in revenue and net profit for the first quarter, reflecting a significant increase in total execution. This revenue isn't from consumer gadgets. It's driven by the execution of specialized aerospace and defense programs. This growth is closely tied to the Make in India initiative, which mandates higher levels of domestic production for critical defense systems. The defense sector in particular has provided a high volume of orders, necessitating a rapid scale-up of localized hardware production. Beyond immediate revenue, the company's order book now provides visibility for the next 2 to 3 years, creating a substantial buffer against short-term market fluctuations. A major factor in this pipeline is the recovery of the global commercial aerospace market, with high-end aviation components being manufactured directly on Indian soil. The pipeline is further diversified by the modernization of railway electronics and a growing trend toward outsourcing in the medical electronics space. By securing these long-term diversified contracts, Cyient DLM has effectively insulated its revenue stream from the volatility typically associated with lower-margin consumer technology. However, the same Q1 report also highlights significant headwinds, specifically the persistent pressure on the company's margins. This graph tracks EBITDA margins. While operational leverage has improved, these margins remain below management's long-term targets. This margin compression is due to a challenging product mix and the rising cost of raw components, cutting into core profitability. Procurement remains a challenge as global supply chain disruptions continue to make specialized parts more expensive and lead times more difficult to predict. There's also the literal cost of execution. Delivering complex defense projects requires high inventory levels and long assembly cycles, which weigh on the bottom line. This is why analysts are closely monitoring quarterly execution and working capital management, looking for signs that the company can turn high demand into consistent profit growth. To address these margin pressures, management has introduced a 6-point growth plan aimed at stabilizing operations. The immediate priorities involved expanding physical manufacturing capacity and focusing on internal operational efficiency to drive costs down. Longer term, the company plans to move further into value-added system integration, which would allow them to compete for larger international contracts and broaden their global footprint. For investors, the next several months may bring quarterly volatility, as the company manages these execution risks alongside fluctuations in foreign exchange. Yet the 3 to 5 year outlook remains positive, supported by the structural growth of the Indian EMS industry and the deep, sticky relationships Cyient DLM holds with its customers. If the company can successfully execute its efficiency plan, its robust order visibility makes it a central player in India's ongoing high-tech manufacturing expansion.